In this video, I wanted to go over GetResponse has a new website builder. I think it's one of the best website builders when I look at Wix and Squarespace. So very intuitive way you could put in here what type of site you're looking to build and get into details. It really guides you through the process. Do you want contact forms? Do you want a chat ability? It figures out what do you need, and you can basically really customize the look, the feel, the functionality of your website. And I'm going to get to the end here. The pricing is amazing for what you're getting. Okay, so you can come in here and custom down to the font, color schemes, and really it's very user-friendly, the interface. So you don't have to know code. It's very simple. If you can do a Word document, you can get your site up and running the way that you want it. So lots of customizations, as you can see here. All sorts of ways that you can do pop-ups, all sorts of integrations. Here's the beautiful part. All of this is integrated with their email marketing. Even if you're using another email marketing, you could use theirs, and it is very powerful that it's just all together for around $10 a month. An amazing website builder. So again, we're just taking a look here at some of the customizations. It really gives you lots of options. There's lots of great templates. So this is, again, an example of a food website where you could go in and do all sorts of tweaks and customizations. You can add a way that your customers can contact you, can opt in, that they would be added to your email list automatically. You can preview it in a mobile format at any point in time. And again, lots of options, lots of choices as far as color, theming, everything that you want to really customize. You can get a domain name through them, or you can bring over your existing domain, and you can have, again, multiple websites. Each of those websites can have multiple pages. You can see lots of data as to who's coming to your website. So it's a very nice website builder when you compare it to Wix, Squarespace, and other ones out there. So anyways, I'm going to put a link in the description below. I would recommend you try it out for free. If you do like it, it's very reasonable to use on a monthly basis. I think one of the best values out there. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Hopefully this helped you out, and have a blessed day.